Welcome to day 6 of the 14-day challenge. Today we'll be designing a series of unique piercing pieces. Piercings are a fun addition to any jewelry collection, and with JewelKitPro components, they're super easy to create. Once your designs are ready, I show you how to try them on a virtual ear. It's a great way to showcase your creations in a realistic and professional way.
In today's worksheet, you can find the guides for both the olive branch and the heart arrow piercings, since those are the more advanced pieces. Let's start with the olive branch. First, import the first component, the metal bar. Let's shape the metal bar to look more like a branch, starting by freeform, making it shorter, and then with the warp tool, using the advanced mesh, we will shape the edges of it to look like a branch and give it a slight curve. Next, import the two remaining components, the marquise green gemstone and the marquise bezel. Set the stone in its bezel and then place it on the branch. Duplicate it 3 times to have 4 leaves. For the heart arrow piercing, let's start by getting the heart-shaped ruby into this sheet. Next, get a metal bar again that we're gonna use for the arrow. Using freeform, make it shorter and narrower, and then place it underneath the heartstone. Duplicate it, scale it down, and place it at the end of the arrow to make the feathers. Duplicate it twice, then mirror all 3 feathers to make the bottom of the arrow. Next, let's bring in a triangle metal sheet for the tip of the arrow. And last, a heart bezel to set the heartstone. Let's try these piercings on a virtual ear. Bring in the right ear. Make sure your piercings are all merged and place them on the ear.
That's it for day 6. Now that you know how to create your own piercings, feel free to experiment with more designs and make them your own. We'll wrap up your first week of the 14-day challenge tomorrow. See you then!